So until I can influence owners to never take the chance to send out a new hire without training them first, I have not done my job. Because without that commitment to your processes and to your procedures, not the processes and procedures the experienced cleaner is bringing with, but yours that you know consistently leave excellent results, results that have been tested and documented. How can you possibly influence your cleaners to consistently follow your processes and procedures? If you train one person and not the next, they're going to be doing it differently, and the one you trained will soon not be following your procedures. It is important to clean, and everyone, especially experienced cleaners, who have been cleaning differently for years. I have a great and very successful client, and now friend. She hired me right after I started Rags to Riches to help her grow her company. I asked her some questions about her cleaning processes and procedures. She started her company herself by cleaning for several years, so she certainly did not feel she needed help in that area. She felt she needed help in gaining clients, not cleaning them. I was grateful she had hired me, so who was I to question what she wanted? We set out to make her company grow. We set repeat client count goals and started making a marketing plan to attain those numbers. I was then, and really still am today, a large supporter of using networking to grow a repeat client base. Join things like women's nonprofit philanthropic organizations. Junior League is a great one if you're under the age of 40. They raise money for women and children. Organizations like Any Baby Can, or your local ballet or symphony, places where wealthy and generous women give of their time and money. And you know what? It's actually very rewarding. More rewarding than the chamber. These ladies do not clean their own homes, and they do not have personal relationships with anyone they know and trust who does clean homes, except, well, perhaps their neighbor's cleaner, who is not very reliable. These women communicate a lot. Make one happy, you'll soon be making a lot happy. But make one unhappy, and that word will spread even faster, and you may never have the opportunity to make another one unhappy again. Back to my client. She has a magnetic personality and is just adorable. She also loves nice clothes and an opportunity to wear them. And she wears them very well. She took to networking like a duck takes to water. A chance to dress up and meet people, yeah. And of course, people took to her. She got repeat accounts after her very first meeting. Now for the rest of the story. By the time the second meeting rolled around, my client had an opportunity to clean these new repeat clients a couple of times. And her clients had an opportunity to complain a couple of times. Her cleaners had missed a few things, and her newfound clients were not so happy. It was now also time for the next monthly meeting. Ouch! My client attended again, and amazingly got even more clients, but the same thing happened. She received more complaints. End result, she was too embarrassed to go back to that group and did not want to take a chance with another group until she fixed her problem. She stopped networking, and her growth stopped quite a lot as well. She was still using the internet, but repeat clients came from her networking. She called me again. It took a few years of struggling with growth and complaints before she finally invested the time and money into a very tight and managed training program for her cleaners. And that did more than move her company growth rapidly. As a matter of fact, that year she went from $800,000 to $1.2 million in 1 year. but it also finally emancipated her from the day-to-day operations, and she could concentrate on other aspects of her business, like raising her net profit from 12% to 20% the next year. Go figure. Add consistent training costs and increase your bottom line by 8%. How does that work? Here's how that works, and it works best for repeat clients. A repeat client wants two things. They want consistent cleaning results, and they want consistent people delivering those results. Statistics show that training increases quality by 54% and employee retention by 56%. The next question I have for you is, how many repeat clients do you lose a year to poor quality, or your client is sick of seeing too many different cleaners in their homes? Translate those statistics to your impact on your company, and you can save 1 out of every 2 cleaners and clients that you are now losing just by training your new hires before they ever enter a home to clean. So where is my client and friend now? Who knows? She is traveling all over the place, bringing up her new business and just enjoying life and friends, even during the coronavirus. I do hope that I have been able to convince your thinking in some way, and you truly believe that taking a chance and spending the time, effort, and money on every single new cleaner will eventually deliver positive results, particularly with cleaner attrition and your repeat client count. Even when you have spent the time and money and the third cleaner just walked out the door, please continue to believe in the statistics. The next 3 will last a year if you just follow what you believe in.